Now we will discuss the MCQs of the chapter. For the first question is, which of these is a direct source of energy for the muscle contraction? ATP, keratinine phosphate, lactic acid, both A and B. The right option is option A, ATP. Question 2 है, when muscle contract, sarcomere increase in size, myosin slide past actin, lactic acid is produced, both A and B. The right option is option B, myosin slide past actin. Third है, which of the following change occur when a skeletal muscle contract? जब skeletal muscle contract होता है तो option A band shorten, option B I band shorten, option C the Z line slide further apart, option D the actin filament contract. The right option is option B the I band contract. Fourth है, thin filament in the myofibrils consist of option A actin, tropomyosin, troponin, option B Z line, option C myosin, option D sarcomere. The right option is option A actin, troposin and troponin. Fifth है, the contraction of striated muscles is initiated by the release of energy in the presence of option A acetylcholine, option B calcium ion, option C chloride ion, option D iron. The right option is option B calcium ion. Sixth है, in the mammalian skeleton there is a distinctive synovial joint between the option A bones of cranium, option B humerus and ulna, option C sacrum of ilium, option D sternum and floating ribs. The right option is option B humerus and ulna. Seventh है, which of the following is a bone of axial skeleton? Option A ribs, option B shoulder girdle, option C pelvis, option D femur. The right option is option A ribs. Eighth है, the vertebral column include sacrum, coccyx, clavicle, thorax and lumbar vertebra, option D all of above. The right option is option D all of above. Question 9 है, in mammals the number of clavicle vertebrae are option A no definite number, option B 7, option C 11, option D varies with the neck of size of the neck. The right option is option B 7. 10th है, the brain is protected by option A cranium, option B skull, option C orbits, option D all of these. The right option is option A cranium. Question 11 है, which of the following is the plantigrade? Option A rabbit, option B monkey, option C horse, option D carnivore. Planti means the one that move on their palm. तो इसका right option है option B monkey. Question 12 है, brachioradius cause the uplift of option A radius, option B ulna, option C both A and B, option D humerus. The right option है option A radius. Question 13 है, the molting occur in arthropod at the option A immature state, option B mature state, option C both stage, option D do not undergo the molting. The right option is option C both stage. Question 14 है, the muscle fatigue is caused by option A carbon dioxide, option B accumulation of lactic acid, option C fumaric acid, option D ethyl alcohol. The right option is option B accumulation of the lactic acid. Question 15 है, the cardiac muscles are option A involuntary, option B involuntary, option C both A and B, option B none of the above. The right option है option B involuntary. तो इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short question and answers of your chapter.